My name is Bob Winston. I'm 80 years old. I met Dr. Busa about 3 years ago, inquiring about a bad bone disease in my right shoulder. My quality of life prior to surgery was miserable. I had to stop playing golf, stop tennis. I'd been to several other doctors that really were doubtful that surgery would be successful because I was 78 years old. My first impression of Dr. B was he was young, professional. I thought up to speed on all the new types of surgery or the new type of devices. My wife and I both left the office thinking, this is a great doctor for us. Post-surgery, my quality of life is 1,000% better. Physical therapy was recommended. I went through 6 months of that. Talking to my physical therapist, she had told me that the doctor was very involved in my progress. She gave me a lot of exercises to do at home. I was very committed. I haven't had a pain since I got out of rehab. I have stamina. I'm out playing in summer twice a week, and my quality of life, it's like night and day. He saw me 1 year post-op. He saw me 2 years post-op, probably see me 3 years post-op. That gives my wife and I great relief that he still cares about his patient even 2 years post. If anybody has bone disease in their shoulder and they're thinking of shoulder surgery with a new ball and socket, I would say it's a must to see Dr. Busa. You have found the best orthopedic doctor that there is in South Florida. I feel like $1 million. It's changed my life.